How are you? I actually really like that you can see the reflection in the glass and see the back. Like, I think that's cool. You see the reflection there. So I wanted to share today a little bit more on the theme of manifestation that I've been sharing with you. I finished the page for registration for my program, which I'm calling the Quantum Feminine Journey. And it's goddess coaching. Like a lot of times I would just say, okay, this is the goddess coaching theme. So this is the new theme, the Quantum Feminine Journey. And there are 3 different levels, and I'll put the link below. But I wanted to talk about one of the ways you know your manifestation is starting to happen, because something today triggered it. I'll actually tell you what it was and then go backwards. So as I was coming back here, I was grocery shopping, and I saw for the second time actually since I've been in this town, I saw a bride in her beautiful bridal dress and the groom, and they were, you know, the really lovey-dovey pictures you have to take. And there were 2 photographers. It was odd because they were doing it like on the sidewalk, but the ocean is in the background, but they just both looked so amazing and really looked in love. It just clearly was like love, and people in the restaurant were looking out and watching them. Like, it wasn't super crowded, but the folks who could see them were all like just enamored and seeing this. Like I said, she looked beautiful and he was really handsome in his suit, and she'd lean on his shoulder, and they were just doing all the, how the photographer makes you like turn your head and and does all these things to you. But so what does that have to do with manifestation? If you were wanting to manifest a soulmate relationship, a loving relationship, and you saw this would be a good sign. And this would be, if you're getting discouraged and you think something's not coming true, when you are in the process of manifesting, what often happens is you'll see the thing you want, but you might see it in other people. So in this case, if I were manifesting relationship, right? And you start to notice really happy couples, right? You start to notice weddings, so it's almost like your brain, it is I forget what it's called. I think it's the reticular activating system is like the science name, but it's a part of your brain, and I think much of your brain is like, what are you interested in and what's important? Like, not just for your survival, but you could think of it like that. But you're training your brain, this is what I'm interested in. So if you were a woman or a man and you're interested in manifesting your soulmate, and you start to see more couples, rather than being jealous, for example, think of it as, and be happy about it, because it's like you're tuning in and coming into the proximity and the vicinity of what you want. Does that make sense? See what I mean? Let me give you another example. So say your example is to lose weight, but you don't want to just lose weight just to be like skinny. You want to get healthy, and you just start to notice more women who are sort of similar to you running, where before you just really wouldn't notice, but now you see like people running, or you're going somewhere and you start to notice gyms, for example, like, oh, well, that's interesting. I never noticed that gym before. Or, oh, and there's another, or you see people working out in the park, or like doing chin-ups at like equipment out in the park. What's happening is it's a sign that you're getting closer to and aligning to the thing that you're desiring. So it's not even talking about that you're consciously, obviously, you might be consciously like looking at weight training and looking at magazines about it, but even your subconscious and in your environment, you start to become aware of what it is you desire, and it will still be out there, but it's like its proximity, it's getting closer to you, and it's becoming more real in your awareness. So I hope that helps. So if you're ever feeling discouraged when you have a goal, notice when the goal starts to appear, even if for others, but it starts to appear in your environment. And that's a big way to keep yourself motivated and to say, wow, look at that. I'm starting to attract and see that and pull that into my awareness, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. It's really important to have this ability, because it will stop you from getting discouraged if you feel like what you want isn't happening yet or hasn't happened yet. it's coming. It's on the way. It's in creation. It's like something being in the oven, right? And it hasn't been in there long enough. So you don't want to take it out and like try to eat it. It's like, no, it needs to bake more. It's still rising. It's still being created. The flavors are still blending. So that's what this example, sort of that same thing. So again, check out my Quantum Feminine Journey. Again, there are 3 levels. There's the basic level where we're going to meet 4 times. And each woman will come in with a manifestation she's working on. We'll practice together various techniques, spiritual techniques to manifest. So each woman has what she's working on, but then we are supporting each other and learning together, okay? And it is 4 sessions, which I felt like was not too long, not too intricate, and it will really move you closer to your desired goal. So again, the Quantum Feminine Journey. The idea of the Quantum Feminine is that everything is energy. I know you've heard that. It can be hard to believe that, but everything starts first, is often said, like with an idea. It starts to come together in the immaterial realm, right? You don't see it right away. Again, the concrete example that's usually given is to build a house, right? Somebody first gets the idea. It's like, oh, right? The idea comes, right? And then it starts getting refined and colors and shapes and where will the house be and what's the climate around the house. So it'll be this type, it'll be a Cape Cod or it'll be a ranch or this will be this. And it starts to sort of crystallize around the immaterial. Then it starts to get more and more and more concrete until it's in form, it's in the 3D realm where we can see it. But it began out of nothing, right? It began with thought, with mind, with consciousness. All right. So do check it out. I have the times and everything on the page, on the sales page, and I'll put that link below. All right. Whether you're manifesting a move abroad, whether you're manifesting a relationship, whether you're manifesting something with your work, something you're trying to create or put out into the world, this program will be perfect for you. Okay. I have manifested a lot in my life and it is manifestation because it's not like, oh, I just had the money to do this and I did it and it was very linear. It often comes together in really magical ways. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, like I said, we're going to actively, it's not going to be theory. We're going to start practicing it with whatever you are manifesting. We're going to practice together. And then you'll, during the week, also be working on what you desire. Okay? So register below.